Auto1com review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Auto1com isn't just another car marketplace. You won't believe how it streamlines buying and selling vehicles across Europe. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for dealers, but the surprising truth is private sellers can also benefit with transparent pricing and fast transactions. Pricing is based on service type. For dealers, listing fees vary depending on volume and subscription plans, often starting around €49 per vehicle with additional options for bulk sales and analytics. Private sellers may pay smaller fees or use instant sale offers where Auto buys the car directly at a guaranteed price. Most people get this wrong by comparing it to classified sites, but Auto offers instant valuations, inspection and payment processing that save time and reduce risks. The platform also provides logistics support, including transportation to buyers and handling of paperwork. You won't believe how smooth the process becomes, and the car is picked up, evaluated and sold without extra effort on your part. In conclusion, Auto1com pricing reflects the efficiency, transparency and convenience it delivers. Whether you're a dealer managing inventory or a private seller looking for a quick sale, Auto provides excellent value for the money, making vehicle transactions faster and more reliable.